Wow, so good day guys. Welcome to another series of Python tutorial focus. So in this series, I'm going to be doing the corrections of the last classwork that I gave you guys to work on. Like the classwork for like if I start the car, if I already start the car should tell me that the car started. So if I say stop the car, if I stop the car and I try to stop the car again, the car should tell me that the car has already stopped. So I believe you all get it right, and if you don't, now check my corrections. This is the corrections. So now this is the existing source code that we have here on the simple car game. Now just now add something. So all you just have to do is add a nested if statement to this start and then to this stopped, like the way we did it for the quit here. We had a nested if statement here now. So now let's come to here now. Let's say okay, let's say if cmd equals to, so now if the car has already started again, so maybe we can just say okay, now we are getting a cmd1. Now let's say cmd1 for this, and then but we have to get an input again, but this input that we are getting should look like the first input, like the first main input, like this. So now, so we now say that if what's this, if cmd, this one, if cmd1 now, if cmd1 like this is equals to start again, that means if what the user has entered is start again, so we can just say print, you see that, print to the users that the car has started already. So the car has started already. So now, and then after the car has started, after printing this statement for the users, then you should use continue statement that the program should continue working like that. So and then let's do same thing for let's do same thing, let's just copy this, and then let's do same thing for this, and then let's say okay, now if cmd1, let's just copy, but this one is not going to be start, this one is going to be stop this time around, this is going to be stop this time around. So and then if cmd1 equals to stop, so it tells the tells, okay, sorry, we need to copy this cmd1 here too, because that is the input that we need to verify the condition. So now, yeah, so the error has gone. So now, so if cmd1 equals to stop, now the car has stopped already. So now let's change this word to stopped already. So the car has stopped already. So the word stop, now let's replace, okay, now, so the car has stopped already, and the code should said continue, should continue to be working. Now let's run our code, let's see what we have. Now let's run our code. Now let's say we have start now, and then you say our car started, and then we try to start the car twice again. Maybe we try to start the car twice again, then you see that the car has started already, meaning that the car is not yelling, the game is not yelling back to us that you can't start the car twice. So the car has already started before, because we have start car again like that. So now let's say okay, maybe we try to, okay, invalid command entered. Now this is that invalid command entered, because I try to press enter without pressing anything, without typing anything. That's why I say this error. So now let's say I said stop like this. Now this is that car stop. Let me just try to stop the car like this again. Is that the car has stopped already. So now the car has stopped already, meaning that the car is stopped, so you just have to restart the car again. So the car cannot be stopped twice. So guys, this is the corrections of the tutorials of the game, of the simple car game that we did here. So guys, you can go through the code again, maybe pause your video, try to just slow down your video somehow and look into the source code that we have here. So the first source code that we have here is we are creating another input for the users here, so something similar to this, and then if cmd1 equals to start now, so asking the user for the opinion that they entered here. So if they entered start again, so the program should yell at them that the car has started already. Why? If this program is equals to stop, and then this program should be executed. Then another input should be prompt out that if the inputs, if what the users entered in the second input is also stopped, then the car should yell at them at the car has stopped already. So guys, thanks for watching this video. This is all about while loop. So I've tried using while loop for a program, like using it in a real program for you guys, so that you can understand how we would use while loop in real life scenario, or maybe in, let me just say, in productions level. But guys, in the next video that we're about to be covering now, is we are going to be looking into Python functions. So we'll be diverting our attention into Python functions. Actually, so far so good. We have been working with two different functions since the beginning of the course, which is the print functions and the input functions. So those are the built-in functions of Python. Then we have some custom-made functions that we're about to write by ourselves, and then we work with some other functions like in Python casting tutorial. So we talk about integer, we talk about string, we talk about the function used to convert tuple to sets, or I mean to list to tuple. We talk about different kind of built-in functions of Python. So in the next tutorial, we'll be discussing more about Python functions, like how we can create our own functions by ourselves, custom made functions. So guys, thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Bye.